Hello viewers, Chef Thomas here again. Today I will show you how to make aubergine and chickpea curry. What we need is diced aubergine, sliced onions, cooked chickpeas, some tomato puree, ginger, garlic puree, coriander, coconut milk, madras curry powder, turmeric powder, and cauliflower pakora. Just mix a tablespoon of turmeric onto these diced aubergines and then put them in the oven for half an hour. In the meantime, you can make the sauce. Fry the sliced onions just for about 5 minutes. Then add the curry powder, some turmeric, the chopped tomatoes. Just keep on stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. A bit of tomato paste, garlic and ginger puree, and then later we're gonna add coconut milk and chopped coriander. And then we're gonna add the chickpeas and cook for about 5 minutes, and then pour the chickpea mix into the aubergine, which is already cooked, and then reserve them for later use. And then I'm going to show you how to present it on the plate. Reheat the aubergine and chickpea curry, deep fry the cauliflower pakora, and assemble it on a plate. And then we're going to serve it with pita bread. Drizzle with soy yogurt, pink onions, and then cauliflower pakora, and it should look like this.